quick tip for better videos is to get comfortable with sound design. You don't need to be a super wizard. Just grab a synthesizer and start sculpting white noise. You can use filters to carve out different frequency ranges and modulation curves to make those filters move over time. You can even isolate individual notes and make them wiggle around each other. But I digress. A simple transition swoosh can take just a moment to make. But if you don't feel like making this kind of thing yourself, don't worry. I've put some useful sounds in our free downloads folder. Grab them for your own projects. And before you know it, you'll be triumphantly sound designing your way to the top. How about it?